My name's George Buchanan and I work for a company called Pink Cactus, and our installation for Vivid is Beetopia. Beetopia is inspired by two different things. I wanted to have an inclusive installation that would be interesting for the visually impaired as well as the fully sighted. And I also wanted to send an environmental message. The idea of it is that you can feel your way across the surface of the sculpture, and then when you chance upon a bee, you can touch the bee, and if you push it or put your hand on it, it'll interact by giving you a slight vibration, just like the vibration mechanism in your mobile phone. Well, of course, because it's a nature-based installation, it's going to look beautiful at the Royal Botanic Gardens. It's perfect